Hello and welcome to String Training. In this class we're going to take a look at I Knew You Were Trouble by Taylor Swift, and this will be a level 1 lesson covering the chords only. Place your capo in fret number 6. We have 3 progressions that get us through this track. We have a verse and pre-chorus. They share the same progression. The chorus and a bridge. It's pretty common for many pop songs. Let's get us into this verse. We need a C sounding for 2 measures, to a G, 2 measures as well, A minor, and F. Each chord will be the same length. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play some vocal melodies over the progression so you can kind of hear how these chords kind of fit into the whole sequence. For example, your C chord, your G, A minor, So, let's rip the rhythm from the song, which it's a pretty cool rhythm, kind of like that, which takes 1 measure to complete. So, with that said, we have to play this rhythm twice per chord. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Getting a very detached sound by bringing my fingers back down quickly on the strings. For example, on the C chord, I've got my thumb on string 5. Index on 3, middle on 2, ring on string number 1, and I bring them quickly back down on the strings. So I'm not making a huge motion here, kind of like that. So that's the first measure. Measure 2 is the same. Moving to our G chord, everything's going to move up here, no first finger involved. A minor, and our F. Really only playing just these 3, no ring finger involved. 3 strings, strings 2, 3, and 4. That's our verse. Pre-chorus, etc. It's the same progression. Moving us on to the chorus. Chorus here we have our A minor, F, G. So we're moving pretty fast through these chords now. Again, it's A minor, F, and G. We conclude with a C, and then it's kind of walk down, which is a G/B chord if we want to really examine it. And I'm holding my first finger in place from that C chord because I walk right back down to an A minor chord. Over on my right hand, I'm playing the inner strings. A minor, F, G. So that's a 3. So you really want to hear that descending bass line between the C and that G/B down to the A minor chord. I'll put the chord progression in context with some melodies so you can hear how this again fits together. A minor, F, G, C, G/B is right there. So you can strum through. 2 strums on the A minor, 2 on the F, 2 on the G, 1 on the C, 1 on the G/B. Remember to maintain your grip, move your second finger to string 5, you're back in. Alright, we're almost complete our level number 1. Now, the best thing to do with all this information is when you've completed a level 1 lesson, you go back and you throw on a recorded version of the song. That's what this is meant for, and you strum along with it. This is really meant for our beginner level students and who are just kind of getting into fingerstyle. If you're really looking for some melodies and stuff, then obviously level number 2 is where you should be checking things out. Our final chord progression here, the bridge of the song, which is a little later in the tune after the second chorus. It's F, A minor, back to F, and So, since I don't provide the written page for this, it'd be a great idea to have just a pen and paper, and you've just really got to jot down 3 things: verse, chorus, and bridge. Follow through. We're now going to take a look at the level 2 lesson. So if you want to throw some of those melodies that I've been playing over these chords, check that out now.